Hey guys, it's Tony here, and today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial on a Rockstar look. I've seen a lot of these YouTubers do a lot of looks on this look, yeah, let's get started. But I'm not trying to copy anybody else's work. Trust me, we're just going to do a pink and black look today. And first things first, we're going to be starting off with this fantasy palette that I got from one of my coworkers back at McDonald's when I was working there. And you can use any color you want. It doesn't have to be anything exact like this exact palette, but I highly recommend it. The colors stay on really, really well. And we're going to be using a eyeshadow brush. Just let me turn it real quick. And by the way, how you guys doing this week? I'm doing pretty good. Just trying to stay positive. And plus, I had a really good interview yesterday with Milwaukee Public News. I mean, not public news, but entertainment news, I should say. But it was really fun. But in other news, we're going to get back into the tutorial. But we're going to be taking a black color first. Alright, so just rub that in. Get the shadow. Or you can also do a black, plain black, like this color right here. And make sure that you put on your eye ever so gently, like this. And make sure you keep a makeup wipe nearby. Oh, hang on a minute. Let me see if I got this right. I'm just keeping my my makeup mirror nearby. Wow. Yeah, I think I got it right. Yeah. And you're gonna do the other eye. Same touch. Okay. Alright, now for this side. And if you can hear a noise in the background, my mom is watching Heartland right now. And she's watching it all the way from the beginning. Okay. Just make sure that I got it really centered. Alright, looks good. And now we're going to be taking a sparkly pink. Just let me find the sparkly pink first. But anyway, and sorry if I haven't been uploading in a while. I have been really busy with work and other stuff. Trying to find a new job. But in other news, we're going to be going into this Ice Beauty palette. Ace Beauty palette, I should say. And open it up. And we're going to be using this color. And by the way, like I said before, none of these colors are exact. You don't have to use the exact same palette that I'm using, but I highly recommend these palettes and these products. And if you're wondering where I got this palette, I got it from my friend Michelle. Alright, now just put it into a little bit small part of the eye. And if it doesn't show up really well, you can always use a different color. Or you can use a different brush. Alright, that looks pretty good. But for this one, I think I'm going to use this brush right here. Oh, it's upside down. Whoops. Okay. Alright, let's go. And make sure that you guys wash your face before you do any makeup, like do skincare first. I did do use something that I used for my friend, that I got for my friend, I should say, from New York. She got it for me for my birthday, or somewhere in between, or for Christmas, I'm not sure. But, and by the way, we're not going to be adding, if you guys want to, you guys may add eyeliner. I'm not. Because it's like a quick tutorial for rock stars if you're going on stage or something. And, yeah, so it's just quick and simple. Right, that'll be the title of this video. Alright, I'm just putting a little bit more just to make sure it's all centered. Alright, looks good. Alright, and my shirt's a little dirty. Luckily I'm not going to work today. But anyway, in other news, I'm working at Cracker Barrel. I'm back there. But they still have to do one important thing, which is a background check. For those of you who don't know what it is, they have to check my background. But in other news, make sure you grab a makeup wipe, just in case you make any mistakes, like on your eye. Alright, still a little bit of a wing, so I don't have to do it. And I know that sounds kind of weird, doing a wing, but like this. I've seen Avril Lavigne do it in her music videos, and I think that she does it really, really good. See, look at all that makeup that I got on it. And by the way, this will be posted on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. Alright, and now I'm just wiping all that off. And yeah. Alright, just a little more. Oh, that's on my eyebrow. Whoops. Okay. And if you want to put some eyeshadow on your inner corners, you can. I decided not to, because I don't want to like go like, ooh. No offense to those of you who do, all you rock stars out there that do. Alright, and now we're going to go into mascara. Yeah. Okay. Whoops, this is the eyeliner. Whoops, I grabbed the wrong thing. Oh boy. Alright, it's been an off morning. Alright. You know what, maybe I will add eyeliner. Some days I do like to wear eyeliner on a shadow, maybe I don't, but today I will wear eyeliner just for you guys, trust me. Alright, but if you guys have seen my eyeliner tutorial, I'll link that in the description box down below for you guys. Yeah, it just shows what you have to do. Alright, concentrate. And if you guys are wondering what I'm listening to I Am Chef America. Because back then, those shows were really fun to watch. Alright, and now for this side. Alright, looks like it didn't really work for that eye. So we're just going to wipe it off a little bit on the makeup wipe. Okay, now we're going to be using something else. Alright, can you find it? Here it is. Okay, we're going to be using this eyeliner. If you want it a little bit more like vibrant, you don't have to use it. Okay. Now, don't forget to stretch your eye out. Yeah, that looks very good. Alright, just do a quick long wing. Alright, that looks good. And, sorry if I'm not doing it in the camera. I'm just trying to make sure that it looks right in the mirror. Alright, now on to the next eye. For that one, I'm going to do it with you guys. If you guys can probably see, I did have a little bit of a fail. I'm not going to worry about it. Alright, looks good. Alright, that looks good. Okay, I'll put that away. Now for the mascara. Yeah, okay. Sorry, I just had a little bit of a moment there. But, yeah, we're gonna go into, oh, I forgot to show you guys the mascara. It's the Milk mascara that I got from Sephora. And I love this mascara because it gives you, like, really, like, nice, cool lashes. And for those of you who don't know, make sure you do this. Because you don't want, like, chunky, like, big, huge lashes. You want smooth lashes. Alright, now I'll go into that. If you can hear a phone ring, that is my mom's phone. Alright. Alright. It looks good. Alright. And don't put too much mascara on. Just like a little bit. Because you, don't want to get all, like, I don't know what I'm saying, but anyway. Well, I did promise you guys a tutorial. Alright, looks good. Alright. Now, you can pair this with, I know I say this a lot, but you guys can pair this with any type of lip gloss or lipstick that you want. I'm going to be using a lipstick. This, pink, pink lipstick that I got from Walmart. It is in the shade, it's got hair on it, ew. Okay. Alright, this is in the shade, Smoky Hot Pink. I've been using this ever since I was in high school. But, here, let me do a swatch of it so you guys know what color it is. For those of you who don't know, I mean, look at that. That is so pretty. Alright, now on the lips. Oops, got a little chunk of it. Good. And make sure that you rub your lips together a little bit. And now I'm going to go into it with a another Wet n Wild product. I mean a lip gloss. This one is in Buried Treasure. Alright, just do just a quick little good. Alright. Alright, looks good. Alright, I gotta keep these out just in case I want to do a quick touch-up. Alright. Alright, well, this is the finished look. I know it looks purple on the camera, but trust me, it is black underneath. If you guys want me to do one of these tutorials, just let me know, and yeah, let me do my thumbnail real quick. Alright, looks good. And yeah, so if you guys want me to do any more tutorials, just let me know. And yeah, I'll be back later with another video. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Make sure to always stay positive, keep on rocking, stay true to yourself, and ignore hate, and be creative. Make sure to thumbs up this video, and make sure to also follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, like not Twitter, and Snapchat. And I'll see you guys next time. Mwah! See ya!